Alexa, skill Stumper is home improvement.
A handyman, like, because we have them around here. We have just handymen that fix odd and end jobs and that kind of thing. So I'll go ahead and take it. So in my mind, thinking of that way, handyman, in that sense. So one of the very cool things that we have is our contact skillet, which is going to be upgraded here soon. I don't know if Adam's watching. Probably not. This is probably one of the first episodes I haven't really seen Adam jump on, so hopefully he is working hard. But one of the things coming down the pipeline is our advanced contact skillet. And being able, and we're talking about scheduling and being able to contact the service provider if you have a need. I think that's major. Or get a quote real quick from them and say, hey, Alexa, how much is it going to cost for me to repair this cracked window? Boom, and it shoots it to the handyman. They can email you a quote right back.
Painting, remodeling.
Painting and remodeling. Okay, so that's a little okay. Well, let's transition to handymanish to painting, remodeling, and my father-in-law's a painter. So one of the biggest questions that I have come up a ton in painting is, and I think you can provide some, is like, what are the current color palettes that are popular right now? What's trending basically in painting homes and that kind of thing? That's information that in a Q&A skillet you can put out there for people. Also, how much it costs per square foot to paint. I always have that question from clients. So if you're a company and you have a business model as far as about how much it's going to range to cost per square foot painting, that's always a question that comes up as well. So Q&A is going to work really well as far as that. Contacting, like we said, that's lead and sales driven. So someone who needs a painter in the moment, that would be good. Remodeling, again, I think providing valuable tips and insight into what adds value to a home, what are typical remodeling cost estimates, all of that I think is really good. Do you want to add to anything?
No, I think that was pretty good.
Perfect.
So